pleasant day to you, Ma'am Icon. So this is my proposed UI design for the telemedication application na assignment namin last time. So, zoom in muna natin pala. Ayan. So, katulad ng ibang application, we do have a loading page na makikita dito yung logo ng application. And of course, yung pinili kong pangalan or naisip kong pangalan para ipangalan na sa application. And after that, after mag-load ng application, yung lalabas. We do have some propaganda here na nakalagay, find peace of mind without the hassle. Obtain a diagnosis and treatment plan in just a minute. So if the user don't want to read it anymore, pwede i-click niya yung skip or click niya yung next if the user wanted to continue. Ay, mali pala, sorry. Ayan, another propaganda here. Click next or click skip. And yun na, meron tayong let's get started button here. So, if the user click the let's get started button, ayan yung nalabas. Meron tayong welcome to iConsult where doctor is one click away na nakalagay here. So, if the user have a existing account, the user can just log in her or his account here. Kapag si user naman is walang account, so ayan, meron din tayong create an account. So, ganito yung mangyayari or ganito yung process if the user have a account already. Ayan, lalagay lang user yung email na ginamit niya para mag-login dito, para mag-create ng account dito sa application. Then, of course, the password that the user used. And click the login. And wait, another thing, if the user use her or his Google account to log in at this application, ayun, meron tayong login with Google. And if the user don't have an account, like yung create an account page natin, of course, kailangan yung email and maglalagay si user ng password, syempre. And nakalagay dito 8 characters minimum. So, kauntian yun para syempre mas stronger yung password ni user. Para di basta-basta na papasok ng mga hacker. And next, click continue. At pag click continue, yung application na hihingi ng basic information for more personalization do sa application. So, hihingi siya ng first name, last name, date of birth, month, day, year, and the phone number. And of course, the gender, male or female. Click continue. So, if the user click continue, lalabas na yung privacy terms and policies. Ayan, kapag nag-agree si user, of course, she or he will continue browsing the application. But, if the user not, ayun, mag-log out sila sa application. Ayan, kapag click ni user yung agree, ayan yung homepage natin nakalagay. Hi Francesca, example ako yung user. Welcome to iConsult, where is your health is our top priority. Sa right side, nandun yung profile pic ni user. It's here, ayan. And we do have a search bar here para mas madali ma-search ni user yung mga needs niya. Especially kung kilala na yung doctors, yung hospital, yung medicine na kailangan niya. And how can I help you? Mostly, ito yung mga is kapag may existing account na, syempre, ginagamit na nila. Obviously, meron na sila medical record, prescription, and may remote patient monitoring na or RPM. And next, if the user don't have any, kung hindi pa nagamit yung application, and meron tayong categories, click to see all. If wala dyan sa apat na yan yung kailangan mo, halimbawa, click tayo ng cardiologist, hindi lalabas. Ayan. Lalabas yung list ng cardiologists here. Doctors close by. Yung mas malapit na doctor sa area nila para mas madali na ma-reach out. So, kapag naman si user ay alam na or kilala na yung doctor na or cardiologist, gusto niyang pagpabook ka ng appointment, ayun, search niya lang. So, click tayo ng isa, halimbawa si Dr. Win Paris Von Rojas. Ayan. Lalabas yung details ng doctors. yung, 240 hearts, ibig sabihin yung rate, 6 years in service, saka 2,423 ratings. Ayan, nakalagay yung whole name niya, yung kung anong specialist siya, ayun, cardiologist, kung saan hospital, which is the BHS Specialist Hospital. Yung ratings niya, ayan, ibig sabihin magaling siya, full star. About Dr. Win Pares Von Rocas, ayan, nakalagay yung information about sa kanya. So, kapag si user ay gusto mag-appoint ng check-up sa kanya or anything is, ayan, click lang niya yung next button. Appointment booking. Confirm a date and time for your appointment with the general practitioner include as well. Ayan, nakalagay kung sino yung doctor na click mo. So, dito, mag-aano ka ng service kung anong service ang kailangan mo. So, dahil ito is telemedicine, pwede kang mag-avail ng doctors even though you're at home. Ayan, click. If you want a video call, click the via video call. Kung sa call lang, ayan. Kung sa text, ayan. Then after that, kapag kinlik mo yung isa sa kanila, may lalabas na equivalent price yan. Kapag video call, ayan. Murahan na natin, 500 lang, video consultation. Then, after that, of course, saselect ka na ng time and date. Kapag naka-gray na yung date, ibig sabihin it's already been booked. Ano. So, kapag hindi naman, pwede pa siyang i-book ng gagamit. So, halimbawa, sa yung Sunday, ang oras ay, halimbawa, 12:30. Pinili ni, and click the next para sa payment naman. And make a payment to confirm your appointment with your doctor. And nakalagay dito yung classification ng in-avail mo doon sa application. Video consultation with Dr. Win Pares Von Rocas, BHS Specialist Hospital tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. Gano'ng katagal? 45 minutes. Ayan, payment summary, primary care visit, 500, discount wala. So, dahil walang discount eh. So, ayan, pay 500. Select payment method. Siyempre, kailangan natin yan. Ayan, if the user have a credit card, ayan, pwede nyo ilagay yun dyan. Card's holder name, yung number, and the card expiration and CCV. Kapag wala naman, pwede siya mag-avail ng other service, katulad ng PayMaya, GCash, or Apple Pay. And after that, book appointment. Ayan. Appointment book successfully. Tapos na, and after nang mag-load niyan, ito na ilalabas. Ayan. Napansin natin na naglipat na rin yung bar natin sa baba, nasa view appointment na. And makikita na natin yung whole appointment na binook natin. Upcoming appointment. Ayan, may call kasi via video call tayo. Video consultation with Dr. Win Pares Von Rocas, BHO Specialist Hospital, from 12:30 p.m. 45 minutes. So, kapag nagkasalan events or emergency here, pwedeng i-reschedule ni user yung appointment niya kay Dr. Wind. So, kapag naman gusto ni user niya mag-add appointment, ayan, ganun lang din ang process, pwede na siya mag-add. And, so, next naman tayo ay sa medical record. Ayan, ay prescription pala muna. I'm wrong, sorry. Sa prescription. Sa prescription, katulad ng sabi ko, pag wala pang hindi pang gagamit user application yung nilalabas. No prescription yet. Kapag naman meron, lalabas din yung mga file ng application ng mga prescription. Next, yung medical record naman. Ayan, wala pa yung medical record kasi hindi pa siya nagpapacheck up. Next is the remote patient monitoring. Ayan, yung lalabas. Yung meron ulit yung hi Francesca Jane. Ako si user. How do you feel? I'm well, fine, or not really? May code pa. Your health is important to us. Nakalagay, just check it up kung anong gusto mo i-check. Temperature, blood pressure, oximeter, or blood glucose. So, blood pressure tayo. Kasi mas common sa yan. Actually, until now, ay medyo clueless pa kung paano na search via application yung blood glucose kasi. Pero, sa research ko, meron na daw blood tester na nakakonect sa phone, so baka applicable yun dito. And ayan, blood pressure. Measure now. meron diyang bale gumawa yung magko-code nito kung paano niya malalagay. Then, kapag manually, ayan, lalagay mo dyan kung ano yung blood pressure mo. And meron din tayong history and yung trends, syempre. Yan. Lipa tayo sa message na may sabi no. Walang message kasi wala pa naman siyang conversation with the doctor. And wala pa rin notification kasi wala pang nagaganap na interaction with the doctor. Next is the profile. Yan, nakalagay yung pangalan ng application, yung payment method, and yung transaction makikita ni user. Ayan, nakalagay dyan yung excuse my voice, ma'am. I do have a cough and sipon po. Nakalagay yung pangalan, then yung gender, and kung ilan taon na si user. And meron din tayong settings. Pwedeng click ni user yan para ma-personalize siya lalo yung application. Support and resource and help kapag medyo nahihirapan siya gumamit ng application or anything na may mali sa application para ma-troubleshoot agad. And of course, the logout para may kung nakilagin lang siya or may another person na gusto makilagin sa kanyang cellphone. And that's all. Yan lang po ang presentation ko about sa UI na ginawa ko. I hope you like it po. Thank you!